Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed the rest part of exercise 7.2. Now today we are going to start a new topic from this chapter, that is equation. So student, first of all I am going to explain the meaning of equation. Equation is an conditional statement written algebraically which is satisfied a definite value of the variable or variables. Means when we solve that equation, we get the value of that given variable in the equation. Okay, how? For example, I am giving you one example of the equation. 4x plus 2 equals to 6. Now student, this is equation. Why? Because this is a conditional statement. What is the conditional statement? If we put the value of x, then we get a definitely answer. Okay. Second, it's satisfied by the value of variables. Yes, when we put the value of variables, then this both sides should be equal. So student, here this in equation we use a sign equal. Equal sign is an expression that which connect between the two algebraic expression. Okay, it balances the equations. How it balances the equation? Because in equation always that right hand side part is called the right hand side, and this the left side is called the left hand side, and it balanced on equal sign. A equation can be satisfied whenever its left hand side part equals to the right hand side part. So this is called the solution of an equation. Why? Because the value of variable for which left hand side equals to right hand side is called the solution of equation, and then only it's satisfied. How? Let's check. If we take the value of x is 1, so put the value of x is 1, 4 multiply with 1 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, we get the answer 6, and 6 is equal to the right hand side 6. So this is called the solution of equation. What is the solution? Solution is 1. Why? Because when we put the value of variable 1, it gives the answer which is equal to the right hand side. Okay students. Now how we come to know that given statement is equation or not? For that, so we have to observe 2-3 things. The first one, the equation always balanced with equal sign. If there is no equal sign between the two statements, that is not a equation. We can say this is equation only in one condition, whenever a equal sign between the two statements. So in that case we can call this is equation. Second thing, there should be one variable is very compulsory between the two statements. If here is no variable is given, that means this is not equation. So variable is very compulsory in statements. So these two conditions, students, we have to observe while we are going to check that the given statements are equation or not. So let's, on the behalf of this explanation, we are going to solve our exercise number 7.3. In exercise 7.3, they have given, write down the variables in the following equation. So student, we have to find out only the variable. P plus 7 equals to 10. So here the variable is P. So like this we have to find out the variable. Let's take the another example, that is 15 plus n equals to 20. So here the variable is n. Like this. 2m minus 3 equals to 14. So in this the variable is m. Fourth part, x by 10 minus 2 equals to 5. So here is variable is x. So like this we have to find out variable from all the parts of these questions. Now move to the question number 2. In question number 2, which of the following are equation? So student, now only a few minutes before I explain this one, what is the condition for the equation? First, the equal sign should be there between the two statements. Second, the variable should be there. So the first one is 13x minus 1 equals to 25. So students, here equal sign is also given and variable is also given. So we can say yes, this is equation. Second one is 12 plus 5 then plus 3 equals to 20. Student, here first condition is given equal sign, but there is no variable in this equation. So this is not an equation. We will write answer no. Let's take the third part. X minus 10 greater than 10. So here the one condition is given, variable is given, but the equal sign is missing. So this is also not a equation. Let's take its fourth part. In fourth part they have given x plus 2 smaller than x plus 1. Same thing, they have given variable to us, but equal sign is not given. So this is also not a equation. Next, fifth part. 2y by 5 minus 4 equals to 0. The first condition, equal sign is given. Second condition, variable is given. Both conditions are applied in this statements. So this is a equation. So here we will write answer yes. Now take its sixth part. In sixth part they have given 2x minus 3 greater than 14. Same thing, variable is given but equal sign is missing. So this one also is not a statement. Its seventh part. In seventh part they have given z plus 4 equals to, not equal, greater than 7. Less than 7. So same thing, equal sign is not given. So this is also not a statement. Last part from this question, eighth part they have given 9x minus 4 equals to 14. Observe it, students. They have given variable also and equal sign also. The both conditions are fulfilled in this statement. So yes, this is a equation. I hope you better understand regarding the equation ki how we come to know that given statement is equation or not. To find out this one, we have to observe only two things. First one, the equal sign should be there. Second, variable should be there. If the variable is not given, that means also it's not a statement. If equal sign is not given, then also it's not a statement. Okay, students. Now, then after move to the question number 3. If the equation is given, so how to write the given equation in the form of statement? That's mean simply we are telling in words. How to write in words? So let's see. Now we are going to solve its question number 3. Question number 3 is write a statement. So first I am going to write this one. 3x minus 1 equals to 14. Second one is 2y equals to 20. Third one is 10 plus 2x equals to 6. Fourth, 2z by 5 equals to 8. Then fifth, 2x plus 5 equals to 14 minus x. Then after sixth part, x by 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So this one is given, student, and we have to write a word statement. Means we have to write a statement for the given equation. So students, simply as we have learned in algebraic expression, how to write the algebraic expression and how to read this one. So first we read this one. This is 3 times x. What we call 3 times x, because 3x is given. In another way, what we can say, product of 3 and x. But the simple way that we use 3 times x. And what we done here, subtract 1. Subtract 1, so we can say less 1. So we will write here in statement less 1. Okay. Otherwise we can say 1 less. Otherwise subtract 1. In any way, students, we can write 1 less, then 3 times. 3 times which variable? X. Now, then after it equal sign. How to read this equal sign? Simply we will write is equal, otherwise give result. In two ways we can read this sign. Is equal, first way. Second, otherwise gives. Okay. So here we will write is equal equal to 14. So here we will write 14 equal to 14. So now we have written our first equation in form of statement. Second, twice y is equal to 20. So here we will write twice y, twice a number. You can write a number also and a y also. So here we will write twice a number is equal to 20. Twice a number is equals to 20. Now third one, 10 added. So here listen, what we are doing here, we are adding 10 in what? Twice a number. So here we will write 10 added, otherwise 10 added to twice a number is equal to 6, is equal to 6, because it gives the result 6. So that's why we will write is equal to 6. Now the next one is twice a number. Okay, twice a number divided by 5 is equal to 8. So here we will write twice a number divided by 5 is equal to 8. So students, in this way we will write the statement. So let's see, whenever the two statements are equal together, then how we will write. So for this one we will write twice a number added to 5 is equal to the number subtracted from 14. For this we will write a number 3 added to a number, otherwise we can write in both way, a number divided by 5 added to 3 give answer 8 and is equal to 8. So student, in this way we have to write the statement for the given question. Now we have learned whenever the equation is given, how to write the given equation in statement form. Okay students, for today you have to solve question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd in your math register along with the all parts of the questions. What we have learned today? We have discussed today about the equation, how we come to know that the given statement is equation. Second, how to find out the variable in given equation. And third, how to write an equation in statement form. For today, this much only. Thank you, students.